Hello, Daddy. Where are you now?
Hi, sweetie. Daddy's still at the office. What's wrong?
My tummy is making noise.
Oh no! What kind of noise?
Grr, grr, like a big hungry lion.
A lion in your tummy? Should I be scared?
Yes, the lion is angry because it wants pizza.
Pizza? Didn't Mommy give you breakfast?
Yes, but the lion said, "No, I want pizza."
What kind of pizza does the lion want?
Cheese pizza, extra cheese, and a tiny one for Mommy too.
Wow, such a polite lion. What about Daddy?
Daddy gets the biggest slice if he comes home fast.
Haha, sounds like a challenge. What if Daddy gets stuck in traffic?
Then the lion will roar at the moon. Roar!
Okay, no roaring. Daddy will fly home like Superman.
Yay! And don't forget the pizza cape.
Pizza cape? What's that?
A big warm pizza you wear when you're cold. Haha.
You're too funny, my little pizza Leon.
I know. Now hurry, Daddy. My tummy line is getting louder. Grr.
All right, Captain Lion. Pizza is on its way.
Love you, Daddy. Bring pizza and hugs.
Love you more, my roaring hero.